Well, the weather looks good. I don't think it's going to rain. So let's get these doors off. Well, it has stopped raining, but I don't like the look of those clouds, and the weatherman says it's going to be raining this afternoon. So I don't think I'm going to be pulling the doors off this car today. So I think what I'll do is I'll look at this battery. I know it's pretty much gone, it's been sitting there for a couple of years, but I just need to get a little bit more life out of it so I can start this car up just a couple of more times to get it in and out of the carport. I think I'll just pop down to the shops and get some bits and pieces, see if we can get this battery sorted. Oh great, that ain't too good. All done. Got some deionized water, I've already got that. And I bought some Bat-Aid. So I'm going to pop that into the battery, charge it up, and hopefully it can hold just enough charge for a day or two so I can move this car. See, I do have a problem. You see, the brakes are seized on this car and I don't think I'm going to be able to push it. So I'm going to need to start the car so I can move it back and forwards. The trouble is the battery is flat and my battery booster doesn't seem to work anymore. So my only alternative is to jump start it. Now the problem with that is this carport is pretty narrow. If I drive my other car in to jump start the silver Audi, I can't open the doors to get out of the car. I've got to climb out the window. So I'd rather not do that. So I'm hoping this battery, I can get a couple of days out of it, and that would solve a load of problems. Okay, let's get this cover off. They all look pretty good actually. A little bit of water. Yeah, not bad. Let's connect up the charger. Not pulling any amps. Oh great, looks like that battery is completely shot. I've got my onesies on, I'm ready to get to work. Now if you're outside the UK and you don't know what a onesies is, you should look up Bad Obsession Motorsport. They'll tell you what one is. Now if you're watching this because you've got an Audi A6 and you just want to know how to take one of these doors apart, fair enough. If you're here for the Supercar build, then let's just go over this panel quickly. The idea is to use this part of the card in the Supercar. Let's take it off. There's a small hole just underneath there. You need to get a screwdriver in there just to pop the switches out. And just ease it up, nice and slow. Now there's one screw there and one screw there. Just have to undo them. I just need to undo this clip. We've got some speaker connectors and other bits and pieces. We have to disconnect these as well. And that's the door card off. Let's see if we can take the door mirror off. Now I can undo all this loom and tuck it through the door. I think someone else has been inside this door before me. This connector won't come off. So I think I'm going to take the lock out and I can have a look at the connector. I think I'll just take this whole frame out, get it out of the way, then I can get to the lock and then I can sort the loom out. And another popper. Yeah, someone was here before me, knackered this plug up. Just get the wiring through here and then we can take the door off. There we go, there's the door. What you need to do is label up all these connectors so you don't forget where they go. On the last donor car, I used tape and some black marker. Unfortunately, oil got on it and damp or whatever, and I lost some of the information. So this time around, I'm going to use a proper labeler. Something like this. There we go, all labelled up. Right, time to get the back door off. Yeah, it looks like the same. Small hole in the back there. That same again, through there, and one on the other side. Same again, just one tip. That's the rear door card. Just going to undo the lock. There we go. Okay, the doors are off. Let's see if I can push it back underneath the carport. No, it's not moving. Well, I'm going to give it a try, see what happens. No good. It's in there now, I think that'll do, because I think I've done my back in. So, bye, see you in the next one.